Hi, I'm Roger Grimes, and I'm the Data Driven Defense Evangelist for KnowBe4. And I want to warn you that every holiday there is an increase in gift card scams. There's three major types. The first type is that someone will call you or email you or contact you somehow telling you that you have to pay an emergency bill, and they want you to pay via gift cards. Like a common scam is somebody will call pretending to be your electricity company and say that your electricity bill payment bounced, and if you don't pay by gift card, they're going to turn your electricity off in the next couple of hours. And you would think, who in the world would pay their electricity bill using a gift card? But you'd be amazed at how many victims there are. The second type of gift card scam is where you, again, usually receiving a phishing email, but it could be a text or something like that, where someone is supposedly offering you a chance to win or get a gift card, but really what they're trying to do is socially engineer you into giving out your personal identifying information. They might even be asking for your bank account information so they can supposedly transfer the value of the gift card into your bank account, but really what they're doing is robbing you or just trying to get other personal identifying information so they can use it to somehow compromise you or your accounts in the future. The last type of gift card scam is where thieves will maliciously modify, tamper gift cards in a store. You don't know it's been that way, but they basically have all the information on this gift card that they have not purchased. They will get the somehow read the codes and the pins on this card, put it back in the store, wait for somebody else, a victim, to purchase and activate the card. And as soon as they realize that the card's been activated, they spend all of the value of that gift card online, and the victim doesn't get to use any of it. So just be careful about these three types of gift card scams in the holiday season. They seem to come on, the scams involving gift cards seem to come on stronger than ever during the holiday season. And just be aware of them because we want you to be safe. Take care.